Withdrawing money from your Coinbase account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Access your Coinbase account by entering your email and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets tab. Once logged in, go to the Assets tab on the dashboard. This section displays all your cryptocurrencies and fiat balances. Step 3. Select the currency to withdraw. Choose the currency you wish to withdraw, typically USD or your local currency. Click on it to open the options for the specific asset. Step 4. Click on Withdraw. Look for the Withdraw button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal details. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and the bank account information. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal. After completing these steps, your funds will be processed and should appear in your bank account within a few business days. Always check for any fees associated with the withdrawal process.